Most people get this wrong when comparing pharmacy prices. They assume the cheapest pharmacy is always the best option. But price is only part of the story. Here's the truth no one tells you. A pharmacy that saves you money on one prescription might cost more on another. That's why so many people are confused when comparing Walmart pharmacy prices in 2026. In this video, you'll learn how Walmart pharmacy pricing works, what affects prescription costs, and whether Walmart pharmacy is actually worth using compared to other major pharmacies. Let's get straight to the answer. For many common generic medications, Walmart pharmacy is often considered one of the more affordable options in the United States. Generic drugs typically cost much less than brand-name medications, and Walmart has built a reputation around competitive pricing on many everyday prescriptions. For example, if John needs medication for blood pressure or cholesterol, he may find that Walmart's price is lower than what he sees at some nearby pharmacies. However, the exact cost depends on the medication, dosage, insurance coverage, and location. But here's the problem. Many people compare pharmacy prices without checking their insurance benefits. This is where most people fail. Sometimes your insurance plan may offer a lower copay at a preferred pharmacy, even if the pharmacy's regular cash price is higher. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you're paying without insurance, Walmart's cash prices can be attractive for many generic medications. But if you're using insurance, the final price you pay may be completely different. That's why checking both options is important. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to compare pharmacy costs before filling a prescription. Another factor is convenience. Walmart pharmacy locations are often located inside Walmart stores, making it easy to pick up prescriptions while shopping for groceries or household items. For busy people, that convenience can be valuable. Take Jake as an example. Instead of making separate trips to different stores, he can refill a prescription and complete his weekly shopping in one stop. That may not reduce the medication price, but it can save time. Here's the smartest comparison method. Before filling a new prescription, ask for the cash price, check your insurance copay, and compare prices at a few local pharmacies. This quick step can help you identify the best overall value rather than focusing on a single advertised price. So, are Walmart pharmacy prices worth it in 2026? For many people, especially those buying common generic medications, Walmart can offer competitive pricing and convenience. But the best value depends on your specific medication, insurance coverage, and local pharmacy options. Now you know what really matters when comparing pharmacy prices. If this video helped you make a smarter decision, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical Walmart guides and money-saving tips.